Okay, let's see how to fix the Windows 11 update error code 80072EFE. So first you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and come to the Troubleshoot option. Go to Other Troubleshooters like this. Find the Windows Update one and tap on Run option. It will run the Windows Update related issues and automatically fix that. Okay, once it is done, you can go to search bar, type Run, tap on Run application. In here you need to type services.msc, hit enter. Find cryptographic services option, scroll down. Here it is, cryptographic services, double tap on it, tap on the stop option, then after OK, then after close this one and go to this PC and go to your C drive and Windows and System 32. Double tap on it, locate the catroot2 file, it is right here, double tap on it. Okay, go back again, right click on it, tap on delete. This will delete the catroot2 folder. Then again go to search bar and search for services like this. Find cryptographic services again, try to start it again like this, then after tap on OK. Now you can clear software distribution folder by just go to search bar, search for CMD, right click on it, go to run as administrator, type net stop WUAUSCRB, hit enter. Now again type net stop bits, hit enter. Once it is done, you need to go to this PC again, go to C drive, scroll down and go to Windows, find software distribution folder, right click on it, not right click, go inside that, select all and delete this one, and again open command prompt. You have to restart that services we are post recently. First you need to type net start WUAUSCRB, hit enter, then net start bits, hit enter. Once it is done, try to update again. If it is not working, you have to manually add this command on the command prompt. You need to run as administrator. First net stop WAUSCRB, net stop crypt svc, net stop bits, net stop MSI server, and REN this met path, and REN this path, net start this one, net start CRYPT SVC, net start bits, net start MSI server. Once all the things done, restart your computer and try to do not restart, just try to update the Windows again. And if you are using proxy, VPN or third-party firewalls, please disable those things and try to update again. If it is not working, you have to if you are using older Windows version, you have to manually download and install the KB3138612 version. So you have to go to your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog like this, then after hit enter, go to the first option and select the version ID from here. Just copy this and go to search bar, paste it here, tap on search. So you can see this is the version for that one. You can select your Windows version related one, tap on download, so it will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can simply install that one. So finally you can check network connectivity and DNS setting, and you can reset the DNS setting. So to do that, go to start menu, go to setting, go to network and internet like this, select your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, select your Wi-Fi, scroll down and select DNS server assignment, edit, tap on edit option, select automatic into manual, select IPv6. In the preferred DNS section, you need to type 8.8.8.8. Alternative DNS, you need to add 8.8.4.4. Save option. So these are the methods you can try to fix Windows Update error. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.